Subpart E focuses on exit routes, emergency action plans, and fire prevention plans, providing critical guidelines for workplace safety. Here's a summary of two specific standards within this subpart, 1910.38 and 1910.39, which deal with emergency action plans, EAPs, and fire prevention plans, FPPs, respectively. 1910.38, Emergency Action Plans. Objective: to ensure employers develop and implement an emergency action plan, EAP, to facilitate and organize employer and employee actions during workplace emergencies. Written and oral EAPs, the emergency action plan must be in writing, kept in the workplace, and available for employees to review. However, an employer with 10 or fewer employees may communicate the plan orally. Means of reporting fires and other emergencies. Evacuation procedures and emergency escape route assignments. Procedures for employees who remain to operate critical plant operations before evacuating. Accounting for all employees after an emergency evacuation has been completed. Rescue and medical duties for those employees who are to perform them. Names or job titles of persons who can be contacted for further information or explanation of duties under the plan. Employee alarm system. Employers must have and maintain an employee alarm system that complies with the requirements of 29 CFR 1910.165. Training. The employer must designate and train employees to assist in a safe and orderly evacuation of other employees. Review of the EAP. The employer must review the emergency action plan with each employee covered by the plan. When the plan is developed or the employee is assigned initially to a job. When the employee's responsibilities under the plan change. When the plan is changed. 1910.39, Fire Prevention Plans. Objective: to require employers to have a fire prevention plan, FPP, that identifies the potential fire hazards and describes the company policies, procedures, and actions to prevent workplace fires. Written and oral FPPs. Fire prevention plans must be in writing, be kept in the workplace, and be made available for employees to review. Like the EAP, employers with 10 or fewer employees may communicate the plan orally. Minimum elements of an FPP. The plan must include a list of the major workplace fire hazards and the proper handling and storage procedures for hazardous materials. Potential ignition sources, for example, welding, smoking, and their control procedures. The type of fire protection equipment or systems that can control a fire involving them. Names or job titles of personnel responsible for maintaining equipment to prevent or control sources of ignition or fires. Names or job titles of personnel responsible for the control of fuel source hazards. Employee information. Employers must inform employees upon initial assignment to a job of the fire hazards to which they are exposed and review with each employee those parts of the fire prevention plan necessary for self-protection. Both the emergency action plan and the fire prevention plan are crucial for ensuring employee safety and preparedness in the event of a workplace emergency. Compliance with these standards helps to minimize the risks associated with emergencies and fires, ultimately protecting employees, property, and the environment.